In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade Binance options for beginners. Whether you're completely new to options trading or you're already familiar with crypto and want to explore more advanced tools, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can get started with confidence and clarity. First, open your Binance app and go to the main home screen. Once you're there, look at the bottom of the app and tap on the option labeled More. Make sure to follow along carefully here because this section contains many features and selecting the right one is important so you don't miss any steps. Next, inside the More section, scroll a little and tap on Options under the Trade menu. You'll now see the Binance Options trading interface. This area gives you access to flexible trading tools that allow you to speculate on price movements without owning the actual cryptocurrency. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Binance keeps this layout user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about at this stage. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Binance account is fully verified, ensure you have sufficient funds in your wallet, and take a moment to understand basic terms like call options and put options. Doing this beforehand can save you time, reduce confusion, and help prevent unnecessary trading mistakes. Once you're inside the options market, choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade, usually BTC or ETH. After that, select whether you want a call option if you expect the price to go up, or a put option if you expect the price to go down. Then choose the expiration date and strike price carefully, as these directly affect your risk and potential profit. Once everything looks good, enter the amount you want to trade and review all the details one last time. After confirming your order, you should be able to place your options trade successfully without interruptions. It's also a good idea to start with small amounts while learning. Taking this extra step helps you manage risk, gain experience, and trade more confidently over time. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to trade Binance options as a beginner easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want to learn options trading. Why not make someone's trading experience safer and stress-free?